Check this out, guys. This is the new Dodge Charger 4-door, which is the Sedan RT 6-pack 2026. Let me show you what's cool about this Dodge Charger. We got this cool illumination grill, and we got this cool badge, 6-pack badge that they spelled out under hood, and you also got this 20-inch wheels, this RT badge, 360 surround view camera, and in the back you're gonna get everything LEDs, and you're also gonna get this illumination and flags on the bags that's gonna illuminate in the front and the back. And down here you're also gonna get dual exhaust, which is very cool. This thing can has 420 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 and 4.5 seconds. So now let's check out the cool stuff in the interior. And you can also get this thing as a 2-door or a 4-door, which is this one. And let me show you what you got with this 4-door Dodge Charger RT. What are we gonna get? We're gonna get this nice storage down here, and you're also gonna get window control that's fully automatic, and you get a memory seat, and you get a power seat for the driver, power seat for the passenger, and you get this cool steering wheel. The seats looks really nice, and I believe you get a head-up display as well, and you get this cool gauge cluster that's 16 inches, and this one I believe is 12 inches. So let me know what you guys think about this beautiful charger. And you got 2 cup holders, you got heating seats, cool seats, heating steering wheel, and you also got this cool ambient lightings that you can change to multiple colors, and you got this charger name that looks so freaking cool. So this thing also have a lot of space, because this one is a 4-door, but just because this one is a 4-door, if you get the 2-door, you're gonna get the same amount of space behind the seats, the front seats, I mean. So let me know what you guys think about this Dodge Charger. Now let's check out the rear real quick. The cargo area, this one is a hatch, so basically you have plenty of space of this baby. So check out my full tour on my YouTube channel, and I promise you guys, you won't regret it. And if you want to purchase this bad boy, come out here and Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, Quick, and Dorchester, Massachusetts, and Boston. So let me know what y'all think, because this thing looks sick. All right.